Hey, this is William. I'm from Realestate. Today I want to present to you a beautiful house in Mijas Golf. Please come take a look with me. Beautiful wide and double high ceiling living room with fireplace. And direct access to a sunset terrace. Come. This is a perfect terrace space with mountain golf views to enjoy alfresco summers and warm winters on the Costa del Sol. With 4 bedrooms, 3 of them en suite. This is one of the master en suite bedrooms, which is very large with natural light looking to the outside. Please come see one of our suite bathrooms being fully renovated to a beautiful taste with beautiful tiles, brand new shower, walk-in shower, amazing vanities with a touch of Andalusian and modern style. Come see with me the fun room, as I like to call it. This is a fantastic living area with its own kitchen and direct access to the below terrace of the house. As we walk outside, you can see the great space of the terrace and amazing views of the mountains with its sunset orientation. And from here we have direct access to the pool. And finally, welcome to the best space of the house, the private pool with a fantastic orientation, endless sunsets, incredible garden, mature trees, palm trees, the dream of Costa del Sol in the south of Spain. If you're currently searching for a house under the beautiful sun of the coast in Malaga and looking for exclusivity, uniqueness, and location, call us, come take a look at this beautiful house.